Home is a shelter from storm, a return place of life journey. From oil lamp, candles to smart lamps, from bamboo fan, stove to whole house temperature control, crossing the limit of time and space. Better life quality is our forever pursuit. Wenzhou Nova New Energy Company Limited, cultivating whole house smart ecology for years, have a perfect solution of whole house intelligence. We are down to earth and cast fine products with ingenuity. We strive for excellence, sticking to quality as a brand endorsement. Quality serves detail. Service makes future. Partners and agents in over 30 countries across 5 continents makes product transportation faster and safer. Attentive service after sales sets up a bridge of mutual trust. Joined by many excellent partners with great dreams, we provide the best service in a sincere and thoughtful attitude. We gain genuine recognition with efficient and excellent execution. Based on today, we integrated intelligence with innovation. We keep in view the future to embrace a better life. Home. Smart MOES Home.